I want to show you something. Imagine a guy on a normal college campus. He puts on this weird, creepy rubber mask. He steps outside into the daylight, and instantly, the sky shatters. Hundreds of crows are diving at his head, screaming, relentless. He steps back inside, takes the mask off, walks back out into the sun, and the birds completely ignore him. Wait, stop. How is that even possible? How did a bird know exactly who was under that mask? But here is the thing that absolutely broke my brain when I read this study. The birds attacking him, they weren't even alive when that mask was first worn. Look up at the canopy above your driveway. It looks peaceful, but I need you to understand, you are walking through a biological surveillance state. American crows aren't just surviving in our concrete sprawl. They are tracking us. If you cross them, they don't just get mad. They trigger a multi-generational threat response. But how? They operate with a brain the size of a walnut. Now, to be fair, most of the time you get dive-bombed, the answer is entirely mundane. It's late May. They have vulnerable, flightless babies hidden in the grass. You walked too close. It's not a grudge. It's just a desperate father running perimeter security. For a long time, people assumed all crow attacks were just this blind, seasonal panic, or maybe just an instinctual hatred of humans. But then scientists in Washington noticed something that really shouldn't have been possible. Some crows were holding grudges for years against specific individual people. So they ran a test. Researchers put on that terrifying rubber mask. They trapped a few wild crows, tagged them, and let them go. Years pass. The researchers walk across campus wearing that exact same mask, and they are ruthlessly mobbed. But again, here is the chilling part. The birds attacking the mask weren't just the ones who were trapped. Whole new generations of birds were joining in. So how is that information moving from one crow to the next? Scientists actually put awake crows into brain scanners and showed them human faces. They found out these birds aren't just operating on blind instinct. When they see a threatening face, their brains light up in patterns tied to fear, attention, and threat recognition. They freeze. They drop their blink rate. They seem to track exactly where your eyes are pointed. But that still doesn't explain how the new birds know your face. When a crow spots a known threat, they sound an acoustic alarm, a harsh, aggressive scold. Other crows swarm in. They see the face while every bird around them is sounding the alarm. So they learn, this face means danger. It's like they're spreading your face through a local airborne warning system. Within 5 years, that single mask experiment spread over a kilometer outward, reaching birds that had never even encountered the original researchers. This isn't petty vengeance. This is survival. This is how you survive the most unpredictable apex predator on the planet, us. Crows evolved in a world where some humans throw bread and others throw rocks. A uniform fear of all humans means missing out on calories, but a lack of fear, that can get you killed. So they adapted. They aren't just noisy scavengers. They are the architects of an invisible, intergenerational watch list. And once you're on it, getting off is a lot harder than you'd think. Unless you know a crow on the inside, which I do. Hit subscribe, and I'll see what I can do. But remembering human faces isn't the only strange intelligence hiding in the animal world. Because right now, somewhere in an aquarium, an octopus is planning an escape. Click the next video to see how they do it.